Do you need the exact same shoe in multiple colorways? I can't. What's good, guys? Ash Bash back again with another episode of Ash Bash Waffles on, and today's subject was inspired by my boy Samuel. Salute to him always. He's got a YouTube channel and he's the guy that hooked me up with the Air Max 1 Paras. Never forget that. Super blessed to have that still. But he did a recent video on simple tips for sneakerheads to save money. Very dope video. I'll link it down below. And in the video itself, he linked to another video which was basically about people, why they buy Jordans. And the guy was going on basically saying every year another pair of Jordan 1s comes out and it goes from like the bread ones to the black toes to the, I think they're called the game, something like that, whatever it was, whatever it's called, the team red or whatever it is. But basically it is the same black, white and red Jordan, but the black's hair one time, the white's hair one time. It's subtle changes. Just think of the black toe ones. I'll show a picture of them now. Then you have the bread toe ones. Literally the only difference is the toe box is a different color, but people went crazy for them. I even want a pair, and I own the black toe ones, but for some reason I want a pair. There's literally a tiny bit different between the two. It's actually crazy. I know people that have both pairs and they prefer one to the other, and it's kind of like, why have two then? There's kind of no point. And when I think about it, if I was to buy the bread toes, when am I gonna wear it? How do I decide that, yeah, today's a bread toe day, it's not a black toe day? It's literally the same shoe. The fit, whatever I'm wearing, will go with either or shoe. So I don't know. There are some people out there that like to double, triple, or even quadruple up. I've been listening to the Sneaker Podcast as usual, and the guy on there, Sean Collard, scollard23 on Instagram, definitely worth checking out. He's a Jordan head big time. I think he runs the Jordan OG support group, if you've heard of that. He copped his fourth pair of Tinkers. I know Tinkers retailed for like $190, so even though I love them and they're the shoe of the year for me so far, we shall see how the year ends, but I can't be buying that same shoe 4 times. And I kind of get that if you're like a big fan of it, but how I wear sneakers and how I see a lot of sneakerheads wear sneakers, there's very few sneakers that you actually use as beaters, and they turn to beaters after a long while. So having 4 pristine pairs of kicks, when are you actually going to get around to rocking them? Which leads me back to bread toes and black toes. They're pretty much exactly the same, so when do you choose when to wear them? I personally have Jordan 1 breads and black toes. They are similar technically in that they're white, black and red, but the color is kind of different. Like the black toe is more white and the other pair is more black and red kind of thing, so kind of get away with it there, kind of makes sense. But then I've got the Storm Blues, which are blue and white. Then I have the Game Rolls, which are blue and white but with a little bit of black on the tick. And literally the same shoe, and it's a crazy thing that we do, because as Sam was saying in the video, to save money, stay away from buying Air Max 1 patterns, Air Max 1 Atmos, Air Max 1 this, Air Max 1 that. Like, we go over and over and over again buying the same shoe but in different colorways. If you avoid that, you can save money, spend it on more stuff. I get it, but I don't know if it's the collector in me or just the fact that I like a shoe so much, I'd rather have it match with more of my fits, that I end up buying a lot of the same shoe. Like Air Max 1s, I only literally got into it last year, but I think I've got 6 pairs now. And technically they all have their time when I would wear them. When it comes to Jordan 1s, I've got 10 different colorways, I believe, and 12 pairs in total. Crazy. Jordan 3s, I think I've got about 8 or 10 pairs. Jordan 4s, 6 or 7 pairs. Sauconys, don't even get me started. It's just something that we do. It's a bit crazy though. I've spoken about it in many of my videos about whittling down my collection, but it's just so tough to do, because I always think about it as going with fits, and then I think about it as the story, whether it's the story of the shoe or how I purchased it. It's hard to get rid of them. But Sam, I think he's whittled his collection down to maybe like 20 or so pairs, and he's had a lot of pairs. If you see his channel, he's reviewed loads of kicks. So he's gone through his pairs himself and he knows what to keep, and it's a smart thing to do. I should really try and do it, but I don't think it's for me. I think multiple pairs is going to be the thing that I'm going to do when it comes to multiple colorways of a model. Do multiple pairs of like one pickup, like doubles and triples up. I don't think I'd do it. Maybe if I was like super duper rich, that'll be worth it, but my rotation is very varied. I have like a couple pairs that I happen to wear often, but that's just basically because of work and gym. Like my Epic Reacts, I wear them to work pretty much every day, and then to the gym after work. And I have my NMD, the Japan Boost. I wear them to work. If I happen to not have gym clothes that are Adidas, I wear the NMDs to work. If I have gym clothes that are Nike, I wear the Reacts to work. And if I have gym clothes that are unbranded, I still wear the Reacts because I prefer the React to Boost. Don't hate on me, Boost people, but I think React is killing it. But yeah, random little topic. Tell me what you do. Are you someone that would buy multiple pairs of the same shoe in different colorways? Or are you someone that will go for different silhouettes and try out different brands? Are you someone like me? Or are you someone like more Sam style, shall we say? I don't know. Tell me what you think. Anywho, end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed. I have got videos upon videos to do this week. Hopefully I can get through them. I've got crazy renovations going on at my house still. And I've got my girlfriend's family over as well, which is why I'm recording in this room right now, because they're taking up the other rooms. But yeah, I'll try and get out my videos ASAP Rocky. I've still got a pair from like 2-3 weeks ago now that I super love and somehow haven't reviewed them yet. And I hate wearing my sneakers before I've reviewed them because I'd rather keep them fresh. But if the day comes, it'll happen. But yeah, more videos to come this week for sure. Follow me on Instagram, @ashbashsneakers, and Twitter is perfection7. I'm signing off. Later, y'all.